Welcome to Zone My Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Do like this video if you haven't already. Do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and hit the notifications bell icon so that you are informed of our regular releases. That's it. Catch you in the next one.